Thank you for your purchase of Funride Viva tricycle. This tricycle comes with unique features of safety and comfort. Front handle with zipper, parental control handle, wide tire base for stability, cushion seat for extra comfort of kid, wide footrest with foldable features. This tricycle is easy to assemble in just a few steps. Step 1. Place rear wheels to main body on both sides. Lock it with a pin and place rear wheel caps. Step 2. Place front wheels to main body and lock it with a handle clamp. Step 3. Insert handle completely to main body and lock it with the provided nut and bolt. Then cover it with cap.
In the next step, place the fleet pipe to the main body.
Now place the footrest to main body and lock the same with provided nut and bolts. In the next step, place seat to main body and lock the same. Place rear basket and zipper to bottle stand.
Now place parental handle to be able to control tricycle.
Your beautiful Viva tricycle is now ready to ride. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.